Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota C-HR XLE as part of the Toyota family. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger crossover SUV in a sleek and classy black sand pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your XLE package is your dual-zone auto climate control, as well as your backup camera and your LED daytime
Helping you
running
into your
lights.
C-HR is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening it up to take a look. Right away, you're greeted by a sporty interior. On the side here, you have that 3-dimensional trim, as well as your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. Below here, you can find your fully automatic high beams, as well as your gas door and your interior lights brightness. Your C-HR comes equipped with a full set of all-weather floor mats. And check out that cool detailing on your skid plate. Your C-HR is equipped with soft cloth interiors all throughout with that cool center detailing for added comfort. And you also have that contrasting stitching and those curves in the seats. And it's definitely something you have to come in and see for yourself in person, but check out the detailing put on your roof there with that light. A very cool vehicle, but why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your C-HR, simply flip your key out from your fob there. Put your foot on the brake and that key in the ignition. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool welcome screen. We'll turn that fan down so you can hear me here. Taking a look at your dashboard, you can see that you have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. An important thing that you should know is that you can set your Toyota Safety Sense features, things like your lane departure alert and pre-collision system, as well as your drive mode, all from your steering wheel mounted controls. Additional to that, you have your volume control, your mode changers, your hands-free calling, and intuitive voice command. Below here, you can see that you have your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota Safety Sense as well, and that cruise control can be set from below there. Check out that nice leather wrap steering wheel with that black trim, tying everything together with your dashboard here. And taking a look at your LCD screen, you can see that you are open to your audio system, which is equipped with your AM/FM radio. You also have your USB auxiliary input and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. And this little guy over here, the AHA radio, you can sync with your phone from the app. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to shift into reverse here, and looking all the way up to your rear view mirror, you can see that your backup camera also pops up there. A nice feature to have so you don't have to check multiple points. Shifting back to park, you can see that you have your stylish dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for your driver, your passenger. You can choose to sync it. You also have your air conditioning and your automatic climate control, which is electronically controlled. You have that nice digital styling. You also do have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. Below here, you can find your USB auxiliary input. You also have media storage below with your cup holders. You have that stylish shift knob with that leather trim. You have your modern parking brake as well as your brake hold. So when you are starting up your vehicle on a hill or anything like that, it will hold that brake before you can get started. Then you have your traction control, and inside your center console, you have your 12-volt DC charger in case you need to charge your iPad or any other media. You also do have plenty of space to store everything that you need. Taking a look at that black trim again with that leather, matching those cool curves from the outside. And opening up your glove box here, you can find all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your C-HR. Plenty of stylish and functional features built right into your vehicle, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your C-HR. Taking a closer look, you can see that you have that unique spoiler detailing on top. You also do have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy. Below, you can find your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You also do have your skid plate to keep everything protected, and check out those unique curves that come in the back of your C-HR here. Opening up that lift gate, check out all that space that's available to you to store everything that you need in your crossover. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. You also do have your cargo lamp for visibility, your bag hooks, and your handy cargo cover here that provides just the right amount of privacy for you. And underneath your cover here, you have all your tools and your jack, as well as your spare tire in case anything does happen on the side of the road. Closing up that lift gate now, simply grab that handle and it will drop down for you here. As we take one more look at the back of your C-HR.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota C-HR XLE. Built right into your crossover SUV is your Toyota safety fence features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you riding nice and safe. But don't just take my word for it, come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.